In 1918, consultant Ivy Lee gave steel magnate Charles Schwab a productivity method so effective that Schwab paid him $25,000, equivalent to $500,000 today. The entire method fits on an index card. Every evening, write down the 6 most important things you need to accomplish tomorrow. Order them by true importance. The next day, start with number 1 and don't move to number 2 until number 1 is complete. Work through the list in order. Move unfinished items to tomorrow's list. The Ivy Lee method works because it eliminates decision-making during your workday. You never ask, what should I do next? The list tells you. Single tasking forces depth over breadth, and the 6-item limit prevents the overwhelm that paralyzes action. Add one tweak for 2026. Make your number 1 item your deep work task and protect it with time blocking in the first 2 hours of your day. Use a simple paper list or a pinned note. The low-tech approach is a feature, not a bug. Fancy apps add friction where this method eliminates it. Tonight, write your 6 tasks for tomorrow. Try it for 5 days. If it doesn't change your focus, I'll eat my words. Share your experience in the comments.